How do I know if my rotors need machining or turning? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. Okay, so if your car has a shudder or a vibration when you brake, or if the steering wheel shakes, something like that, then you have some sort of a surface issue on your rotor or your drum. This is a rotor, on the machine right now is a drum. Now, when to determine whether to machine or replace, that is a lot of variables and different arguments. Here in the desert, where we don't have any salt on our roads, we don't really have any rust issues, we have the ability to machine much more often than other places in the country. So if your shop's recommending replacement over machining, there's probably logical reasons for it. We found that if the rotor is vented and there are no rust issues, then machining is certainly a possibility. When it's not vented, in other words, there's none of these grooves in here and it's just a single piece, those are a little bit more challenging, and drums are really challenging as well. So I hope this has been informational to you. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.